How I make a crystal balloon display for baby 100 days. First, inflate and tie 4 balloons into a quad and set it as the base. Then another smaller sized quad for the second layer. Inflate the crystal balloon. I use a good quality one so I don't have to pre-stretch it to have a perfect sphere shape. Fill it up with some 5-inch balloons. I don't really like this part, as it takes a bit of time here. Fill in about 10 to 12 balloons, and we can inflate the crystal balloon to full size. Next, tie the crystal balloon to the base with a 260. Now my favorite part. Prepare the artwork for the customization. Cut the labels and attach it to the crystal balloon. Then we can finish it up by making a mini balloon garland from the base to the top of the crystal balloon. Inflate the 5-inch balloons and attach them 2 by 2 along the side. Remember to fill up the gaps. Twist them and arrange as you go along so you can secure them properly. Fill it all the way to the top, and you have a nice, lovely balloon display. Happy 100 days, baby Ryan.